Hey everyone, so it is bright and early Thursday morning and it is Aunty Chitra and Chandra's puja day. We had a little bit of technical difficulties to start off the morning. We didn't realize that they were doing construction on my grandmother's block where we were gonna do all the cooking. So we had to pack up everything and we were going to our other aunt's house to prepare all of the food. So a little bit of a late morning getting started, but we'll show you the whole process when we get to work. Alright guys, so it's Puri time. Aunty Chitra is, how many pounds are you making? 5 pounds?
About 5.
About 5 pounds. Video part 2.
Huh?
Video part 2. Remember that video?
Aunty Chitra Puri. She's not nice.
So there's flour in here.
Making healthy Puri. 2%.
I always use 2%.
So Aunty Chitra has flour and ghee inside, and she mixed that in really well. And now Aunty Chandra is pouring in some milk.
Healthy.
Good.
Oh.
What are you doing? You didn't tell me enough. You see, you're gonna blame me for sabotaging your Puri.
No.
Now we're gonna make like 20 pounds of Puri.
Put more flour. When in doubt, put more flour.
So basically what Aunty Chitra was saying was that if she has to make this batch alone, this 5 pounds of Puri,
Which I usually do.
Which
there be no rush.
which she does do, she'll usually split it in 2, right? And mix it so it's easier to mix.
You just do this all by yourself? Alright, you just do it by yourself. Yeah.
So you see how smooth it is now, and you see how soft it is?
It needs to bounce back
so
at you.
bouncy. That's what you want. Chitra Puri, bounty. Hashtag bounty Puri.
God. And this is basically how you want to leave it. You want to round it just like that, and then somebody can go ahead and start the rolling process. So when you guys are making the Puri and you're rolling it out, it's best to double them up and make sure there's enough flour in between them so they don't stick, because you're going to fry them in pairs. And you just lay them down on a tray or a bowl, whatever you have. So this way you can just fry them all one time. So once these 5 little puris are done, you can go ahead and start frying the rest of your puris, and you can also start, it initiates like the start of the cooking of all the other food, right? And what you want to do is press it out as soon as it comes out of the hot ghee. So this way, you just soak up all the extra oil?
Soak up the excess oil and all of the bubbles. Once you flatten them, they go away.
And it'll stay nice and soft.
Hi, Aunty Chitra. Hi, Matthew.
Hello.
Oh. Hi, everybody. Me too. I had to get in. Matthew's making mithai. Yummy. Look at that. They're all getting ready to get fried.
Alright guys, so we have the white rice soaking for the sweet rice that we're going to make in the morning. We also have the katahar that's in bags right now. It's frozen, so we're just leaving it out overnight to thaw out. And tomorrow we will show you guys what it looks like as it's cooking. We have the already peeled and frozen one that we're using. And these right here are the ingredients for the waday that we're going to make as well. You have the dal, some chana that's soaking, and some of the urad dal. So these are going to soak overnight so they can get nice and soft, and we'll grind them in the morning.
Just have to go inside from a call.
Grammy, can you please say hi?
Look my face. No, yeah, don't. You can take everybody's hand.
Wait, so how do you know that it's done? No, but what do you gotta look for?
When you get more, you have to let it get more thick.
We'll show you guys the finished product when it gets there. Alright, Grammy, what did you just add into this?
Cherries, raisin, condensed.
And that's it. You just mix it up. And these things go in towards the end, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And once your sweet rice is nice and thick and all rich, then it's all done. Auntie Chandra is chopping some pumpkin for fried pumpkin. Say hi, Auntie Chandra.
Oh my god, I'm such a mess. But hello, dear.
Matthew, I have to do my hair and everything. Because I only know how to show people out.
Alright, Auntie Jean, what did you put in the bara?
Grind dal, flour, grind garlic, pepper, baking powder, sazan, bhajee, shallot. That's it.
And Auntie Jean does a little something different. She puts in the sazan seasoning.
Yeah.
So what does that do? Just gives it a flavor or the
Give
color
it a
too?
color and flavor.
Nice. When that's done, we could put on the oil and I could just fry that in my waday, and that could be done.
So Matthew's making my mithai. Yum. Oh, that's too hot. Yay. Hi, Matthew.
Hello.
And my mommy's making. Mommy, what are you making there? Sweet rice, she said.
I'm gonna throw this way.
Hold on. Hold.
Hold a bowl. Not throw me yet, let me go in.
Yeah. Jeez.
Sorry.
She can't have nobody help her stir parsad, even if it's the hardest thing for her to stir.
Me in no one nothing yet. I'm okay. Go and go to the rabbit eat. Go keep jabbing. You know you never get up and take food. Go. Everything's at the table there. Go inside.
The pumpkin and the bhajee are cooking away. We're waiting for the bhajee to finish melting, and the pumpkin is frying away too. You show stirring this up.
Yeah. Long pepper? Yes, yes, please.
Grammy, say hi.
Thank you.
So close up.
Massive, massive.